All right, guys, 2021 Dodge Challenger GT all-wheel drive. Really beautiful green color. I forgot the name of it, but it's green. Factory converter there and there. Then factory X-pipe there. Then factory mids there. And then he brought his own Flow FXs by FLOWMASTer, part number 71415. 71415. There'll be a link in the description for him right there. And right there, as you guys can see. And then the 2021s come with the tips built into the rear valence there and there, or rear diffuser, whatever you want to name it, as you can see. So came out really nice, really clean. Make sure you guys subscribe, please, and like and comment, as we really appreciate everything you guys do for us on this channel. And make sure you share. Cleaned up the sound a lot. Give it gas? That's it. I like it. You want me on camera? Yeah, okay. Here's sound decibels. Again. Yeah. Again. Right at 92. That's clean. That's perfect. It's so deep. Go ahead and back it out. GT. That sounds so good, man. I like it. That's a new option I'm gonna start selling. Wow, that's clean. I like it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.